Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to go over how to use SUMIF and also SUMIFS. SUMIFS will just be using multiple if statements to then sum a column of our choosing. If you haven't checked out my TikTok channel, you can do so. I cover a lot of the same things, but in a shorter format, more straight to the point with less explanation involved. So let's go over how to use SUMIF. So let's type equal SUMIF. You can double click. So the first parameter will be the range that we want the if statement to be related to, and then we'll put the criteria. So the range in this case, we'll do if the gender is male or female. So then we will highlight this whole column. Then we put a comma, and next up is our criteria. So our criteria will be what we want to check if it is true in this statement or in this column. So if it is male, then the sum range, we can use the purchases as the sum range. That will come back with a number. And so we could also change this from being male to female. And that is our sum if. So now we can use sum ifs. So sum ifs will be the sum range. So now we put the range or column that we want to sum will be this, a comma. So the next criteria range, we can do the same thing. Then another comma to choose male or female. Criteria range 2 will be graduated. So this is another if, checking if the criteria meets our next choice. So if this column equals yes and is female, it will now use this row and add to the sum. And let's add one more. With spending habits, we could do whether they're low, average, or high. So that's our criteria range. Now we choose our criteria. We can choose low, and then we can put it in parentheses, and that will sum the columns that are female gender, yes ungraduated, and low spending. For each of those, if it meets all of the ifs, it will sum. So that's how you use the sum if and multiple sum ifs in Excel. And as always, thanks for watching. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and please subscribe. It helps out the channel a bunch. And thanks for watching.